This week it's an episode of much to do about nothing. Welcome to Straight Six Fan. My name is Grant Tommy, helping you build your hot rod and your confidence in today. Well, the reason we're calling this episode what we're calling it is because I have literally no plan. It's just kind of been a week, and I think there's going to be two things that probably happen. Either I'm going to start it up with the Motorcraft Carb still on it, and whatever I dorked around with the needle throughout the week is going to work, and it's not going to overfuel. Or the same thing's going to happen as last week, and then it'll be time to swap on the Holley. And well, I haven't, because of how last week went, I need to get a new fuel line for the Holley, so I need to get a little fuel line and, you know, kind of make a little J-turn, and then we'll hook it up to the rubber hose. But so yeah, I don't have any of that on hand. Just kind of unprepared, really. And the other thing is just like the extra energy I had this week, Thursday and Friday, I put on new unit hubs as well as some EBC green stuff pads and rotors on the Tacoma, prepping it for some bigger things to come. So what I'm going to do differently this week is I'm going to monitor the carburetor from inside the carb using the app for my DJI Osmo Action Cam. I have that set up in place so I can see if fuel starts coming out of those air horns or whatever you call it. So yeah, we're gonna give it another shot here this week, and we'll see what happens. It's either gonna be we good or time for a Holley carburetor. So yep, there we go. Overfueling. So it's time to swap to the Holley. So we'll yank off the old Motorcraft. I will put that up for sale on Facebook Marketplace. Try to recoup some of that money. And we're gonna go with the Holley 350. I'll get it as far as I can today. But yeah, we're not gonna get it all done today. I also have family coming up later today, so I'm not gonna be able to spend as much time out here as I normally would. You know, maybe I could run to O'Reilly's and get that fuel line situation figured out. But yeah, no, not today. Two things I will take care of today, however, will be putting on the right throttle ball adapter for the throttle linkage, as well as the electric choke has a little bit different connector from stock to the Holley setup. There we go. It is resting atop the manifold. Now, only things we might tweak here in the near future is if ported vacuum doesn't work out for vacuum advance, we'll go back to manifold vacuum. But if we like the way this works, we'll shorten this up for sure, clean that up. But otherwise, haven't bolted it down yet, because like I said, gotta go. I'm gonna yank this back off, take this to the like O'Reilly's, find a fuel line, and we'll just probably bend a J-turn into it right here, and then we'll hook up to our existing. So it shouldn't be much effort at all, but gotta start picking the place up a little bit, getting my things back in order as company's coming not too far out. But I did also want to take this opportunity to give a shout out to a channel. We just did a sticker swap not too long ago, and that channel is Patina Pit Stop. Really sweet logo, love it. I love these custom cut stickers that follow the profile of a logo. Always a boss move. Love it. Go check out his channel. Very much in line with what we do here on Straight Six Fan Offbeat Hot Rod. He's got a sweet wagon that he's building. So go check him out. Another Midwestern guy, of course, upper Midwest for him. Me being in Kansas, but great channel. Go check him out. I will leave an input card up over here if you would like to go take a look at that channel. But now we gotta go slap it up on the toolbox like we do all stickers. If you want to swap stickers with me, just reach out to me either through Twitter or Instagram. Send me a direct message. We'll swap addresses. But yeah. Well, so there you have it. An episode of much to do about nothing. Maybe you want to watch some videos with a little more substance, well, over here I will leave some for you to check out. Otherwise, like, comment, share, subscribe. I don't care which one you do. It really helps out the channel. That's going to do it for this episode. Until next time, peace out.